write the explicit formula for the sequence 12, 16, 20, 24, and 28. So, pag sinabi natin explicit formula means we can yung direct formula ng isang sequence. Masosolve natin yan, makikreate natin yan by using try and error. So, we test i-test muna natin yung sequence. Solution. Natin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, E2, talagyan ito yung E2 yan siya. E1, E2, E3, E4, E5. So, solution. E2 minus E1 then E3 minus E2 then E4 minus E3 then E5 minus E4. E2 minus E1 is equal to 16 minus 12. E3 minus E2 means 20 minus 16. E4 minus E3 means 24 minus 16. Then E5 minus E4 is 28 minus 24. 16 minus 12 equals 4. 20 minus 16 equals 4. Then 24 minus E4 is 24. Sorry, tama pala. Yung E3 ang mali. E3 is 20. So, equals 4. Then 28 minus 24 is 4. So, all 4s. So, pag ganito ang sequence, madali na siyang hanapan ng explicit formula. Since 4 yung natin, yung common difference, so we can write as the E in means yung the next term ay pwedeng E6 or 7 and so on and so forth. So E in is equal to yung 4 natin. 4 times in. Kung pang ilan yung times in dyan. In. Since, for example, sa 1, halimbawa, first term natin, 1. So, simple yung E natin is 1. 4 times 1 is 4. Anong idagdag natin sa 4 na ma-achieve natin si 12? So, 4 plus 8, diba? 4 plus 8 is 12. So, 4 plus 8. So, yan na ang explicit formula natin dito sa sequence na to. Okay, example natin. E1, first term. E1 is equal to 4 times 1. So, it's in plus 8 is equal to 4 times 1. 4 plus 8 is 12. E2 is equal to 4 times 2 plus 8 is equal to 4 times 2, 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Then E3 is equal to 4 times 3 plus 8. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 8 is 20. Then E4 is equal to 4 times 4 plus 8. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 8 is equal to 24. Then E5 is equal to 4 times 5 plus 8. 4 times 5, 20 plus 8 is equal to 28. So, 16, 20, 24, 28. So, ganyan lang kadali. So, it is yung sagot natin. Explicit formula of the sequence. Okay. So number 2 example natin, 12, 112, 212, 312, and 412. So, alam naman natin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, lagyan na natin ulit. A1, E2, E3, E4, E5. So, kahit di na natin siya i-calculate, it's noticeable naman na 412 minus 312 is 100. So, 312 minus 212 is 100. And 212 minus 112 is also 100. Like this, E2 minus E1. So, ito na lang isulat natin. E2 minus E1 is equal to 112 minus 12 is equal to 100. So, ito na natin ang common difference natin. So, since nahanap natin yung common difference through all the sequence, we can write the explicit formula easily enough. So, for example, the E in, ang E in natin would be E in is equal to 100 in. Since 100 in, for example, yung 1, E1 natin, simply 100 times 1. 100 times 1 is 100. Ano ang i-add or i-subtract natin para ma-achieve yung 12? Simply, 100 na yan. So, mag-minus na tayo. Unlike kanina, sa example naman, nag-add tayo ng 8. Dito naman is, mag-add tayo ng, magsasubtract tayo ng 88. Kasi para ma-achieve natin yun si 12. Diba? 100 minus 88 is 12. So, yan ang explicit formula na sequence na to. Okay, check natin. E1 is equal to 100 times 1 minus 88. 100 times 1 is 100 minus 88 is 12. Then E2 is equal to 100 times 2 minus 88 is equal to 200 minus 88 is equal to 112. Then E3 is equal to 100 times 3 minus 88. 100 times 3 is 300 minus 88 is equal to 212. Then E4 is equal to 100 times 4 minus 88 is equal to 100 times 4 is 400 minus 88 is equal to 312. Then E5 is equal to 100 times 5 minus 88. So, 100 times 5 is 500 minus 88 is equal to 412. So, the formula hold throughout the sequence. So, ganyan lang po ang paghanap ng explicit formula ng isang sequence. Okay, example number 3 naman is write the explicit formula for the sequence 1/4 minus 1 over 6, then negative 9, negative 27, negative 4 at 1. Since ito, kahit di natin itis yan, alam na natin na hindi yan mahanapan ng explicit formula kasi yung common difference is not constant. But still, i-try natin. E2 minus E1, E3 minus E2, then E4 minus E3. Kahit yan na lang ang test natin. And E2, siyempre sa ito, E1, E2, E3, E4, E5. So, E2 minus E1 is negative 1 over 6 minus negative 1/4. So, equals, it would be negative 1/6 plus, kasi negative times negative, mag-plus na yan, 1/4. So, common difference is 12. Common denominator pala, sorry. 12 divided by 6 is 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. 12 divided by 4 is 3 times 1 is positive 3. So, negative 2 plus 3, it would be 112. Okay, E3 plus minus E2 is, E3 natin is negative 19 minus E2 is ito siya, so negative 16 equals, copy lang, negative 19. Negative times negative magiging positive, so 1/6. Then, common denominator din na would be 18. LCD nyo lang is common denominator. So, 18 divided by 9 is 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. 18 divided by 3 is 3 plus times 1, it would be 3. So, negative 2 plus 3 is 1/18. Ganito pa lang, alam na natin na yung difference is not, yung common difference is not constant. Try pa rin natin. E4 is negative 2/27 minus yung E3 natin is negative 19 is equal to negative 2 copying lang 27. Negative times negative plus 19 is equal to LCD, this common denominator is 27. 27 divided by 27 is 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. 27 divided by 9 is 3 times 1 is plus 3. So, negative 2 plus 3 is 1/27. So, the sequence had no common difference, or the common difference is not constant. So, instead na explicit formula ang hanapin natin, mag-create na lang tayo ng recursive formula para magamit natin to find the en term of the sequence. So, kanina, alam naman natin na yung E2 minus E1 is equal to 1/6 minus negative 1/4. Alam natin kayo na yun is 1/12. Okay.